How to save any Excel document to your device directly and automatically. So all what you have to do, guys, to save documents to your device is go into Excel, choose the document that you want. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner and click on those three dots and choose save as right here. Now click on this device option and click got it from here and click allow, so Excel can access to your photos and media, and then it will be able to save it automatically. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.